In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate or flip a video in OpenShot. If your footage was recorded sideways or upside down, or you simply want to change its orientation for a better composition, OpenShot makes it quick and easy. We'll keep this simple and stick to the built-in rotate options, so you don't need any plugins or complicated settings. First, open the OpenShot video editor on your computer. Once the app is running, make sure you can see your video clip in the editing area at the bottom of the screen. This lower section is the timeline and clip area where you can interact with your media. The key here is to work directly with the clip that needs to be rotated. Next, locate the video clip in that editing panel and right-click it. A context menu will appear. From that menu, hover over or select the option labeled Rotate. This reveals a few straightforward choices. If your video is sideways and you want it upright, choose Rotate 90 left or Rotate 90 right depending on which direction corrects it. The preview window will update immediately, so if you pick the wrong direction, don't worry, just undo and try the other one. If your video is upside down, select Rotate 180, sometimes labeled as Flip. This turns the image over so it's no longer inverted. You'll see the change right away in the preview. A couple of quick tips while you do this. If you don't see the rotate option, make sure you actually right-clicked on the video clip itself, not on empty space in the timeline. If you want a 270-degree rotation, you can simply apply a 90-degree rotation in the same direction 3 times, or apply a 90-degree rotation in the opposite direction once, depending on your starting orientation. And if you make a mistake, use undo to revert the last change and try again. Once you can see your video oriented correctly in the preview, you're done. Scrub the playhead across a few points to double-check that everything looks right throughout the clip. The rotation you applied is non-destructive inside the project, which means you can always right-click the clip again and choose a different rotation if you change your mind later. That's all there is to it. OpenShot's rotate options are designed to be fast, visual, and reliable, so you can fix orientation issues in just a few clicks and move on with your edit.